First look at the new rooftop tent. Kings came to the party, replaced my old one that had a bit of a water leak, which was the Mark II. This is now the Mark III, which I think really suits it because it's all black, the new one, and so far I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it looks awesome on it. I do have one issue which I'll address tomorrow. That's the latch is missing a rivet, but I'll go and see them tomorrow. But so far I'm pretty impressed. I'm not going to open it up or anything like that. As you can tell, it's raining today, but Kings really came to the party. They were going to replace it with another Mark II. I asked them if I could upgrade it to the Mark III, which is the new one, and has lots and lots of options. It's slightly narrower. The roof will go higher, as in when it's opened up, it opens up higher, but it is narrower. But so far I'm pretty impressed with what I'm seeing, and I really think it suits the mistress. I think she's looking pretty sexy with that. So thanks to Kings for replacing it and allowing me to upgrade it. It cost me $198 extra to upgrade to the Mark III, but from what I'm seeing, there's massive improvements on it. There's slots everywhere so you can mount stuff. And yeah, so far so good. I've still got to get the ladder out. I forgot to get the ladder out when I was setting it up. You can take the King's badge off of the back, which was one of the first things I'd done. That's just me though. I had to change the latch from the side to the back because I can't open it with my awning. It's got stronger struts, and from what I'm seeing so far, I'm pretty impressed. Have a good day, everybody.